Bunch of light bulbs, some asshole could take it. Holy crap, this thing's messed up.
What the hell is going on?
What a letdown. Whoa. No way. Fine. Load this in the cart. Fine. Fine, come here. Let's see what we got. That's nice. Core i3. Not bad. Bunch of shit. Plus some vintage Mac stuff. This. Ooh, here's some good shit. Laptop. There's a bunch of vintage stuff in here. Gonna check all that out. What's this? Weird thing. Mouse. Let's see what's up with all this Apple shit. I think they're just printers. I know you guys are gonna get mad at me for not taking them, but no one wants this stuff. And look, it's all taken apart. See? Vintage Apple and laser printers and shit. I don't even know. This and before they made laser printers. MacBook charger. Don't forget that. This looks like something vintage here. Total peripherals. I don't even remember what that is. It's been a minute. Oh shit. Look at this. Macintosh 2. Definitely gonna grab that. Fuck, I have my hand. Grab this thing. Why the hell not? Honestly, the printer might actually even be worth something as well. So if that goes with that, look at this old thing. Polish style right here. Honestly, we should take all this shit. I'm gonna load in this Apple too. Heck. I loaded it in the Mac. Let's keep searching. I'm gonna take a picture of this thing. Take a picture of it. And if it's good, I'll come back for it. My car is full at the moment, not of stuff I found. It's full of other stuff. Back here, TV. Searching in the back. Sort of. Back in the container is usually where I find all the good stuff. Because people, obviously other people take shit. They're not as dedicated. They don't climb to the back and look. Medical thing. I actually don't know what this is. I'm gonna take it though. Just because it looks interesting. Why the heck not? Nothing back here. It's all the same garbage. Junk. UPS. Ooh, this is a nice printer right here. If I had space, I'd totally take it. It's a nice laser printer. Do that next time. Okay. Here. Holy crap. Galaxy S8. Samsung, I think that's a 360 camera. Holy crap, guys. I should have just taken that whole bag instead of dumped it out like an idiot. Harman Kardon Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Yeah, the box right there, we're gonna take that box and just fill it up with all the stuff. So what the heck? Just full of Apple monitor. I might go with that Mac. Alright. We're gonna have to come back here. There's actually a lot of good shit. Old Penny Cordell. This box of all this stuff. It's a new mouse, man. Take that cardinal speaker. Take all this stuff. What is this? It's a Nook. Another tablet thing. Portable battery, that's crap. Smart speaker. Amazon Alexa. Charge brick. Just looking into the Amazon Alexa. Another charge brick, nice one. Fast charger. I think that's a vape. Good. This thing, why not? IoT device. Take this Dell keyboard, why not? Probably goes with the Inspiron. Some weird thing. I don't even know. I don't even know what that is. Flash drive. NBA flash drive, why not? Wow guys, this was an absolute score. I didn't think it was going to be a score. I didn't expect to find anything, but I'm finding a bunch of great stuff. I'm just going to take this bag. I don't even know what's in it. We're going to take it though. Let me load all this in. Alright guys, that was a pretty nice haul. I don't even know what this thing is. I think it's a 360 camera. Something newer though, because it's got USB-C on it. Let's see, it's got 2 lenses on it. Microphones. That's probably an SD card slot, micro SD. Not 100% sure. Here we have a, I don't even know, some flash drive. Pretty nice. Here's the printer, which I grabbed. I mean, I'm gonna go back for the other stuff, but this is the Apple Color StyleWriter 1500. I don't know anything about this type of stuff, but I just grabbed it. It didn't come with the power adapter. I looked, I didn't see it. And I did take the vintage Mac, it's back there. And I'm gonna go back for the other crap, so don't worry. This is that Galaxy S8. It's probably gonna be dead. It's got a pretty nasty crack on it. I think it's an S8. Let's actually check. Yeah, it is an S8. 64 gigabyte. I'm telling you, usually what happens is someone just cleans out their house and they just get a garbage bag or a box or something and just loads it up with a bunch of great stuff that they don't even need anymore. Yeah, sorry guys, my car's really full right now. Some other stuff. So, this, I think, is gonna be a Nook. Oh, it's a Kindle. So, it probably works fine. It's probably just dead at the moment. Take it. I think these are just modern Kindles. Yeah. These aren't even that expensive. You can buy them new for like 30 bucks, I think. Something like that. Yeah. They're not that great. Actually, this one's got USB-C. I've never actually seen that before. I didn't know. Maybe the newer ones have it. Actually, I don't know what this is. Let's see. It may not even be a Kindle. It might be something else. Yeah, it's just the newer. I've actually never even seen this. This must be the newest Kindle because it's got USB-C. I don't really keep up with tablets. I'm not really a tablet person, guys. Let's put this up to the side here. This is what I want to check out on video is what's in this bag, because I just wanted to take it and we'll open it in the car. it's really cold outside. It's January right now. VGA cable. Got some chargers. Dell adapters. That's always handy. There's this guy. Some weird adapter, I don't know that. 18 volt, 2 amp, that's really weird. This goes to a Dell speaker soundbar. You know what? This probably got thrown away with the Inspiron. Like, it seems like they just threw away their whole computer. Because they probably got something in there. And then, look, this is ancient. This probably went with that Dell Dimension. Could have that Intel sticker on the side of it. This things are brand new. They barely probably used their computer. I did get that tower. It's right there. The Optiplex is underneath it. This one is a Inspiron 3647, 4th Gen i3. Very nice computer. I've had a bunch of these before. They're very reliable and really good. See right there. 4th Gen i3. Supports 4K resolution out of the box. Like, all the panels are still good. Usually those get smashed. People throw the stuff, but this time they didn't. Yeah, guys. I would say that was a pretty successful haul.